Hello guys, welcome back to Create with Chidex. My name is Chidima and today I'm going to be doing something magical. I'll be turning a cup of ice cream into a cake and back into a cup of ice cream. Do you want to know how I did it? Then follow me. To bake my ice cream cake, I used a cup of chocolate ice cream, half a cup of flour,
just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises
and 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
I'll never tell.
After mixing all 3 ingredients together, I put them in a baking pan and then I baked it at 180 degrees C. The cake is now baked and I'll put it in the refrigerator overnight before decorating it. I used circular cutters to cut out 3 circles from my cake. So the largest cutter was about 8.5 cm and the smallest cutter was about 7 cm. Because the cake was quite small, I had to patch some pieces of cake together before making the circular cuts.
Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
I also leveled the circular cake pieces to make sure that they were straight. I spread some buttercream on a piece of circular board that I cut for the base of my cake. Then I started stacking my cakes using buttercream to glue the pieces together. The cake is now stacked, so I'll give it a bit of a crumb coat with buttercream. After applying the crumb coat, the cake will go into the freezer for 20 minutes. I've brought the cake out of the freezer, so I'm going to give it another coat of buttercream. But this time I'm going to be putting more of the buttercream at the top part of the cake. The reason I'm doing this is to make the top part wider than the bottom part.
Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
As I've covered the sides of the cake in buttercream, I'll flip the cake over. Then I rolled a piece of modeling chocolate and using the top part of my ice cream cup, I'm cutting out a circle. Now I'm going to apply some buttercream on top of the cake, then attach the modeling chocolate circle. I rolled out a thin piece of modeling chocolate the same size as the first, placed it on top of the cake, then cut around it and removed the middle piece. I'm using some vegetable fat to glue it on before continuing with the cutting. I rolled out another piece of modeling chocolate and covered the lid part of the cake. Then I trimmed off the excess. After trimming it, I rolled out another piece of modeling chocolate. Then using an A4 paper copy of the side of the ice cream cup, I cut out a panel from the modeling chocolate. I then used this panel to cover the side of the cake and trimmed away the excess. To get the ice cream cup printout, I took apart the original cup of ice cream and then placed it on A4 paper, scanned it before printing it out on edible icing sheet. I cut out the side piece for my cake, then I rubbed a little water on the side of my cake and attached the icing sheet. The icing sheet didn't completely cover the side of the cake, so I cut out another smaller piece and covered the gap left. For the side and top edge of the lid, I painted on some edible black gel color mixed with vodka. Then I attached the icing sheet for the top part of the lid. And there you have it. Our Ben & Jerry's ice cream cake is done. And as usual, I'm going to cut the cake. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and share it. And also subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.